Creamy cheesy potatoes. Welcome, let's cook. Add butter to the pan. Add spring onions as the butter melts. Shrimps for seafood flavor. Add salt. Add chopped garlic. Saute the shrimps for 2 minutes. A little fresh chili for a spicy kick. 1 organic seasoning cube for rich flavor. Pour in 1 cup of lactose-free milk. Red bell pepper for color. Carrots for sweetness and crunch. Cauliflower for texture and flavor. Fresh mint for a refreshing aroma. Dill for a fresh, herby flavor. Parsley for a burst of freshness. The fresh herbs simmer to release their aroma. Boil the potatoes until tender. Add the potatoes to the creamy sauce. Sprinkle in cheese for extra creaminess. Simmer on low heat for 5 minutes to melt the flavors. Creamy cheesy potatoes ready to enjoy. Cheese bliss.